Unlock $1,000 per month with these side hustles now. Are you ready to boost your income without quitting your day job? We explore 5 high-paying side hustles you can start today with no experience necessary. First up is freelance writing. Companies are always on the lookout for content creators. If you can write compelling articles, this side hustle is for you. Next, consider opening an online shop. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easy to sell handmade crafts or vintage finds, generating a steady income stream. Third, dive into the world of graphic design. With free tools like Canva, you can create eye-catching visuals for businesses and earn from logo design to social media graphics. Another lucrative option is tutoring online. If you excel in a subject, share your knowledge with students across the globe, earning from the comfort of home. Lastly, explore the potential of affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you believe in and earn commission for every sale made through your unique link. These side hustles allow you to work flexible hours, letting you decide when and where you want to work, fitting around your existing commitments. Beyond financial gain, side hustles can enhance your skills, expand your network, and even ignite a passion that could evolve into a full-time career. So why wait? Dive into one of these high-paying side hustles today and start building a more secure financial future for yourself. With determination and creativity, reaching that goal of earning $1,000 per month or more is entirely possible. Are you ready to get started?